In this video, witness the epic transformation of Finn Balor turning into his evil persona, the Demon King. Are you ready?
Falling off the table after numerous kicks by the Demon, and now Demon cross body through a table!
It's an ongoing thing.
The Demon now has taken control!
Hey guys, I'm your host GTA, aka Anand. This is a custom-made Survivor Series 2023 Finn Balor action figure. While this version looks great, there's something missing. I meant his legendary aura as the Demon, and I'll help him transform into an updated 2025 version of Demon King Finn Balor. Enough said, let me just show you how.
And that, coup de grace!
Okay, I would approve this fantasy demonic attire. I wouldn't mind if Finn Balor wear this attire someday. Every detail looks cleaner than expected, and to keep it looking flawless, I'll be using a transparent cello tab to protect those fine details from coming off so easily. Honestly, I'm not happy with the generic face, so let me add more details to it so it looks more demonic. And I'll be doing by adding a little tongue to it. The face looks much better now. Reset. And now let's give him his entrance gear using a biscuit cover. I'm giving a silver black combo throughout the attire. So this is how we make a custom-made fantasy attire Demon King Finn Balor action figure. Of course, I drew inspiration from some of my past demon looks and also added my own creative spin to it. And honestly, it turned out better than I expected, and hope you like the yellow addition to the overall look, along with the little strands in his kick pads, as it took me a few hours to make it. Is it just me, or do you feel like something is missing? Like, I don't know, maybe a chainsaw perhaps? He looked badass during his NXT run as a champion back in 2014. So just imagine if he brings two of them during his epic entrance as Demon. I miss them just as much as you do. Boom. Now let's just compare Finn and Balor. Hope you like the making of this video and the custom figure, plus the wrestling scenes in between. And please tell me which custom you like the most, the Finn Balor or the Demon King. Until next time, thank you for spending valuable time for my channel. Peace. Have you ever wondered why I post content so late or inconsistent? It's because I've been posting content elsewhere, especially members only section. So if you like to see some extra content, then click the join button from any level until you choose not to, and enjoy the perks as you see on the screen. If you want to get a small glimpse of it, why don't you start as an expert with just 29 and eventually become the master, and so on and so forth until you become a pro. Because we spend a lot of money for things we regret later. This is an expensive world to live, so choose wisely, because I don't want to let you down with similar mid-quality videos. I genuinely want to improve the experience for you guys by becoming a ATA member, as it will benefit all of us. With that said, thank you for being a member of this channel. Peace.